Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hook's rated working load limit and that the load is within that limit. Once done, visually inspect for cracks, corrosion, deformation, and ensure the latch and swivel move freely. Make sure slings or chains are the correct angle and capacity. Place them so the load sits centered in the bowl of the hook. Clip the hook throat first and engage the safety latch. You should feel the load settle. Do a 2-inch test lift to verify balance before raising higher. You now focus on controlling and stabilizing the load. Start lifting slowly to relieve slack and observe how the hook and slings share the weight. If the load tips, stop and adjust sling lengths or reposition rigging. Use spreader bars or softeners where edges concentrate force because that prevents deformation and reduces point loading on the hook. Keep taglines in hand to control rotation and sway. Make sure the hook stays free of side loading. Side pulls can bend hook. You finish by lowering the load to its resting point with a controlled, gradual motion, keeping taglines taut so nothing swings into the crew. Once on the ground, unhook in a stable position, then re-inspect the hook and all rigging for signs of wear, cracks, or deformation. Document any issues. If the latch jams, the hook bends, or you notice unexpected wear, stop using it immediately. Make sure to remove and tag the hook out of service. Contact maintenance for certified repair or replacement before reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.